marketing conferences you should be at in 2020, and the alternatives online. Coming up now. Hey, Dustin Howes here, and I am a conference lover. I love going to conferences to network, and I love going to speak. So when I get an opportunity to speak at a conference like Affiliate Summit, I jump at it. Conferences are an outstanding way to improve your knowledge base. I love going to conferences, nerding out with other experts in the field, and I love hearing about what's working for the experts actually right now. But the problem with the conference is it can be a little pricey for you. You have to cover the conference tickets, the flights, the hotels, transportation, meals, and various other items that come along with going to a conference. And if you're lucky, you can get out of there for under $2,000. Now, not every company has that kind of budget to send you off to do this kind of learning and networking. And even if they do, sometimes it feels like it's pulling teeth to get it approved. I've been there. And then once you get to the conference, you gotta figure out how to maximize your time. You can't be aimlessly walking around trying to figure out what session am I supposed to go to, or are you the right person to network with? Pew pew! Today I'm gonna go over 3 marketing conferences in 2020 that I am absolutely not going to miss. And I'm going to give you alternatives to those conferences that are a little less pricey. Conference number 1, it's for digital marketing, traffic and conversion. March 31st for 3 days in San Diego. It's packed full of veteran speakers that are giving away their top secrets. But if you can't afford 3 days in San Diego at pricey hotels, digitalmarketer.com actually has a great alternative for all your digital marketing needs. You can actually get the courses that you really want to go through. Digitalmarketer.com actually offers a 14-day free trial, and it's $95 per month after that. So you can pound through all the courses as fast as you want, but they usually suggest that you can become a full stack marketer in about 3 months. Conference number 2 for social media. Head on over to Social Media Examiner. March 1st through 3rd in San Diego as well. This place is packed full of influencers giving away secrets of what's going on right now on social media. And for an alternative to this, check out Hootsuite. They have a free version of this online course, or you can buy the premium version for just $249. Conference number 3 for affiliate and performance marketing, it is Affiliate Summit West. This is the place to be for affiliate marketing. This is where everybody goes to go and network. There's great sessions for both affiliates and for merchants. And I'll personally be speaking there this year on 2020. It's happening January 27th through the 29th. Oh, and there's also Affiliate Summit East in New York City, July 26th through the 28th. Affiliate Summit is great for networking and for learning, but it can be a little bit overwhelming with over 5,000 people there, and you've got to figure out which sessions you really want to go to. So if you're looking for an online alternative, I have just the solution for you. PerformanceMarketingManager.com. This is the only online course that teaches you the proper skills to run a successful affiliate program. So instead of running around for 3 days at a conference trying to figure out where you should be learning from, you can spend 6 hours with me. Along with the training, you're going to get a library full of resources that are going to make you a better affiliate manager, including email templates that I designed myself that are proven to get results in your recruitment efforts. And every course taker gets one-on-one time with me. So you can ask me all the questions you want about affiliate marketing. You get the course and my time, all for $397. There are links below in the description to all the courses and the conferences that I spoke of in this video. So please click through those to go check out more information. Good luck in your journey out there, and I hope to see you at one of these conferences. Bye.